Trust Yourself by LIOBA BRÜCKNER in 74 by 60 cm squares, version 3 special treatment. Starts with electric diamonds that we have placed on the twinkles around her face. As you can see, there are cross-like shapes around her face, so simply replace the original beads that you get with electric diamonds, and that will give it a realistic twinkle, kind of like what we see right now. There you go. So place it on this twinkle by her lips, right over here as well, by her lower eye, by her nose, and then there are also some right over here, some balls of light. These are electric diamonds. So that is version 1 for the special treatment. And then for version 2, we have labradorite that we have sprinkled on the body of the caterpillar right over here, coming up from the flowers. So those are the labradorite. And finally for version 3, we have sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled around her blue hair, as well as adding that one blue twinkle by her eye in sapphire diamond. So once again, for Trust Yourself version 3 special treatment, we have electric diamonds, labradorite, and sapphire diamonds.